Welcome to this guided visualisation on getting into the flow. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. And let's begin. You knew how to get into that state of being where you're in a flow state, in alignment with the energies of the universe, because you had a very demanding job looking after the public, a home life, but you had to be very organised and in flow to keep this all going. But lately life had become frantic as you were juggling too many balls. You were overwhelmed because you were preparing for something very important indeed, your wedding day. You particularly wanted to be in a flow state on your wedding day so as to enjoy it as much as possible, as this day was going to be the best day of your life and you were marrying the man of your dreams. The night before, you had thoughts of all the organising, planning and saving, and you came to the conclusion that there was no more that you could do. And you had a strong intention to fully embrace and be in the flow on this wonderful day. Your wedding day finally arrived and you felt very calm and in a state of alignment and flow which you had been practicing. In the morning you had your hair and makeup done and you were very pleased with the outcome. The bridesmaids too looked very beautiful and everyone was in high spirits of what lay ahead. It was time to get into your wedding dress with the help of your bridesmaids. You felt at the perfect weight. You stepped into your beautiful gown and felt amazing and glamorous. You put on your headdress. It was time to walk down the aisle. As you did so, everybody looked on in awe, with jaws dropping at your beauty and elegance. There he was at the end of the aisle, the man you were marrying, your soulmate, friend and life partner. He looked so handsome, smiling and a bit emotional as he watched you walk towards him. You made your vows to each other and kissed. Everything was going perfectly to plan and you continued to be in a flow state. You had lovely photos taken with family and friends. The reception went perfectly and the speeches were funny and heartfelt. In the evening you had so much fun and laughed and danced the night away with your loved ones. It was the end of a perfect day because you'd taken the time to practice being in the flow, and your wedding day was as blissful as you'd imagined. Welcome back. You can now open your eyes. Now remember, continue feeling those good thoughts, fall in love with your life and take baby steps to getting into the flow. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Blessings, much love and namaste.